In today's video, I'll show you how to install the Unlimited Saving 2 mod in Kingdom Come Deliverance 2 to enable save anytime without restrictions. Check my video description for this mod download link. Scroll down and check the manual download option and check slow download option. It will start downloading. Once download done, check this folder icon, right click on the downloaded file and select WinRAR and select open with WinRAR. Right click on the game and select open file location. Go back to game folder. Right click on the blank area and select new and select folder. Name this folder mods and press enter. Open mods, drag and drop this USI folder inside. We have successfully installed the mod. Now you can launch the game. Once you are in game, if you want to quick save, then press F5 to save the game. Do it whenever you like to save. To check this working, go to load game. As you can see, we have successfully saved same 3 times and the mod is working. I hope this video helped you. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you.